Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you? Very good. Yourself?
Good. Thanks for your time. We are happy to be at your factory. Please tell me about our big review. What do you see about our
So, with the machine, open brake press, a lot of bending, smaller inner plates for under bars for any production applications for our panel industry, trailer industry. So, we often like smaller ones here, really bigger around, make it cheap for that side of the part. And then over here, we have our 6-speed brake press. And we're wondering, especially on the heavier duty material. And we don't use it as often, but when it is needed, it is greatly increased weight for what it needs to be done. And then coming up going forward over here, the 14 shear that we have is we use it a lot for especially making troughs that we have because the parts inside to make digit right away. Saves a lot of time and labor and manually cutting.
Yeah.
We love them like shear, definitely great. So in our other building, we have another 12-foot brake press that we use to bend or cross. Also a lot of our own stuff and a lot of our output. So a lot of neighboring companies use our materials and machines, and we also use great last few months, last 2 years since having machines.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a nice day.
HARSLE. Save time, money.